Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. Today I want to show you, there's not much to show you, just want to tell you that one day left for my promo to end, which is tomorrow. Today is 12, tomorrow is 13. You don't want to miss out on this amazing up 50% offer or says, yeah, so you don't want to miss out. So go grab yours and leave your review in the comment section. Go check out my Instagram, great review on my Instagram, even on my website, great review on that. So this product amazing. I'm gonna be announcing after my promo training, and also I'm updating my website soon. For those of you that want to get your hands on this product, hurry up and message me, DM, send me WhatsApp message. You can order straight from my website. Great feedback, amazing feedback from this product. You want to get that soft, smooth, glowing yellow skin tone. For this Xmas, you want your skin to glow. For those half casts, you want your skin to glow. We've got all chocolate for caramel, amazing feedback, pictures on my Instagram. Also, we have the ebony glow as well for dark skin. It's your amazing picture to also show you the review from people that have used it and the result they are getting. Trust me, great review. This is a no bleaching zone. No bleaching zone, I repeat. So purely organic. And I'm gonna be showing you, because people are asking me how I make base cream. I've done a video on that. I'm still gonna do a more detailed video where I added glycolic and lactic acid, and the percentage I'm going to tell you, because glycolic and lactic acid, they have a specific percentage. You can't go more than 10%. For if you want to go 20% and above, or maybe probably you want to do knuckle for your knuckle, or you've got stubborn dark nail or hair bow. So I'm going to talk you through. I'm going to be doing a video to show you guys how you can do this, and also how you can eradicate a stretch mark, green vein. And if you got product that gives you green vein, please discontinue, irrespective of how much you buy that product. Discontinue. You don't want to buy a product that will be giving you green vein. You want your skin to pop. You want your skin to be flawless, not you having green vein, having patches or stretch mark or watches or breakouts. No, this product are amazing. Great feedback from it. You don't want to miss out on this promo. We've got the stretch mark kits. We got the stretch mark oil for those stretch marks that are not pronounced. For those that are pronounced, we've got the kit, which is comprises of two products, which is the cream and the soap. So details information on how you can apply it is on our website. And also, please, you need to get this. One day remaining, please. Also, we have our extreme, that is our lightening. I call it luxury flawless lightening or whitening body wash. That is shower gel, amazing in different colors. This shower gel, great testimony. I made it with love and clean. I made it with love, passion, and in a clean environment. It's something I use, and great feedback. Malato triple action whitening soap is talk of my fans and IG, and also people on Facebook, and so on other social media I am on. So please, when I talk, I don't talk much, but my products are amazing. And also, I'm going to be doing review on other creams and creams that contain steroid, hydroquinone, that you should avoid. The choice is yours. I'm just going to give my honest review, so the choice is yours to make. So love you guys. I just want to quickly show you the pH of this. When you're making your product, you want what you're formulating with to be in that at the end of the day it will give you the set or the desired pH you wanted. Just want to take the pH, so I'm gonna take it out. Just want to show you guys, just clean it a little bit. You can see, I hope you guys can see. I don't know how to my God. Oh, I'm gonna show you. I already know the pH, so you guys should watch. This is no magic. This is no magic. You can see our pH. Oh, I hope you guys can see the color. You see, it fall just exactly on 5. That is the pH you want. Your pH to be on 5. This is what I wanted, and I got it. And in fact, amazing. I hope you guys can see. This is where 5 is. This is start from 1. We have 1, 3, 5. This is odd number. This also, this is why the down part is the even number. So those of you that have got pH chart, the upper one is the odd number, while the down part is the even number. So you can see I'm on the odd number, which is 5. So yes, so that is what we want. And I'm going to use the other side to try this as well, the dose afghans. I already know the pH, what it's going to give to me, so I'm going to clean it and then show you the pH. So we check again. You see the same thing, 5. You want to formulate and get a result that you don't want to use a product that the pH falls within 3 or 2. That is too acidic. It's just going to burn the skin and turn the skin to roasted turkey or chicken or roasted goat. Sorry to use this word, but truly it will. You want to formulate with the right product. For those of you that want to train with me, I will show you what and what to do, how to understand the pH balance of your product, and what ingredients you need to use, the oil that will give you the exact pH result that you want. Okay, bye. Subscribe.